Everybody dress warmly for recess. It's cold outside, and the radio says it'll snow today. Okay. Please remember to listen to your new playground monitor. She's here to help. Don't slam the door. Here's your playground monitor vest, Hilda, so the children can find you.
I just love orange, Miss Honey.
Are you ready for your first day on the job?
I really am. I'm honored. Oops. Sometimes I forget how strong I am.
Well, you are stronger than the average girl.
Let's face it, I'm stronger than 10 average girls. Sorry, I'm a little excited.
Hilda, look out!
Here, Sally, catch! Oh, dear. Sally, are you all right?
Sure. Sorry about that, Sprout. Hilda, can you push me, please?
Sure, Kenny.
All right! Whee! Higher, Hilda, higher! Give me a real push.
I hope I didn't scare you. Want to try again?
I think I'll just rest here a while. Hilda, would you please give us a spin?
I don't know if I should.
We want to go faster,
Oh, all right. But just a little one. Okay. Hang on tight. What have I done?
Wow, that was some ride.
I didn't know it could spin that fast.
Oh, dear. Oh, my.
And now for a weather update. A heavy snowstorm is headed this way. It's expected to hit us hard, so stay off the roads if possible.
Children, we must end school early today so you can all get home safely. All right. Proceed calmly.
Hurry, Hilda! You'll miss the bus.
That's okay. I'll just walk home.
Hilda, why are you still here?
Miss Honey, I can't be playground monitor anymore. Everyone's afraid to play with me. I'm just too strong.
Oh, your strength is a gift. You just need to learn how to use it.
Dangerous, icy driving conditions. Roads may be completely blocked by nightfall. Stay tuned for further weather updates.
Shouldn't we go faster, Spotty Leopard? We want to get home before we get stuck.
Nope, we have to take it slow. Slow and steady. Oh, hang on, kids! Is everyone okay? Well, looks like we're stuck. We better wait in the bus till someone comes down the road and sees us.
If they can see us down here.
Spotty Leopard, it's getting dark out. And cold.
All we can do is wait till someone comes.
Huckle, do you see what I see?
What is it?
Something orange.
Hilda!
the bus!
Hilda! Go get help!
Okay. No, wait. I have another idea. Everyone out of the bus!
Wow! She's even stronger than I thought.
Oh, you brave, brave hippo!
That was great!
Well, it was no big deal, guys.
Are you kidding? It's the greatest thing I ever saw in my life!
Hooray for Hilda! Yay!
Hilda Hippo's courage and strength saved the day, and her classmates awarded her a medal for heroism. And you thought being strong would scare people away. Okay, class, recess time.
Oops! Come on, everyone. Let's go play.